Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you that how you can fix the uploaded file exceed the upload max file size directive in php.ini. For this you need to open cPanel of your website. From there you have to select PHP version, and from here you have to check options, and from there you just increase the upload max file size like 8 MB, or it's all depend on you. Okay, and you can increase the post max size as well. Okay, now browse. Make sure it's .zip, not .rar file. It will take some time. Okay, it's worked. Thanks for watching my video. Need help? You can comment below. Have a nice day.